Welcome! In front of me I have Asus VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to unlock the screen on our watch, and to do it simply press the side button. After you unlock the screen, you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of options. Scroll through the list until you find the settings or setting option. Once you find it, swipe up on the screen to scroll down, find the brightness option, and once you find it, tap on the brightness button right here. And now you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the one of the three levels of brightness. We have the lowest, middle one, and the highest. Select the brightness you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.